Hey everyone, this is John, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an abandoned cart workflow on Course Creator 360. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to capitalize on people who have initiated a checkout and want to use some sort of abandoned cart sequence in order to follow up with them. Now, if you're not using this workflow just yet, I highly encourage you to do so just because if someone checks out but doesn't purchase your product, that is one of the hottest types of leads or prospects that you can get. It means that they showed interest and they were about to purchase. So all you need to do is follow up with them. Maybe you need to give them a slight discount. Maybe you just need to encourage them. Maybe you need to hop on a call with them and answer any questions that they might have. Either way, Course Creator 360 makes it really easy to actually go ahead and set up an abandoned cart email sequence. Now, if you haven't heard of Course Creator 360 just yet, you can check it out using my link down below and sign up for a free 30-day trial. Once you sign up for that free 30-day trial, you also get access to this 90-minute bootcamp where it's a 14 step-by-step process on how to actually get started with Course Creator 360. Now, as far as the abandoned cart email sequences go, the good thing about Course Creator 360 is that it already includes a templated abandoned cart email sequence. So if you go into automations here and then you click on leads and prospect workflows, you're already going to get these templates. So this right here is the template abandoned cart email sequence that you're going to get. So if we open it up, you basically see that we have a funnel or a workflow here. Okay, this is an automation workflow. So what happens is that when someone actually opts in, they're going to get a tag added to them. So that tag, so here we have an example form. So if someone opts into this form, they're going to get a checkout initiated tag, and then the automation is going to wait 1 hour. After the automation waits 1 hour, there is another action that follows up asking, is there a paying members tag? So what it's looking for on the contact now is that it's looking for tags that include the paying member tag. So this is what you need to set up first. You need to set up a checkout initiated tag, and then you also need to set up tags for people who have bought in your course. So if there is a tag, then this automation is going to end. But if there is no paying member tag, then the condition is going to say no. So this right here is what you call an if or statement. And it doesn't segregate individuals who have either bought your course or who have not bought your course. So based on this tag right here, if the paying member tag is not there, it's going to say no. Then you're going to add a new tag called abandoned cart tag. So this tag is going to show that people who have actually checked out but haven't bought in your course, you can actually segregate them and see all those contacts with this abandoned cart tag. Next, the sequence is going to send them as text. So this is going to opt them to actually go ahead and book a call so that they can answer any questions. Maybe they're unsure and you just need to hop on a call with them so that you can land the sale. It's also going to send them an email asking them the same thing. So if they don't reply through text, you'll send them an email allowing them to book a call so that you can answer any questions that this individual might have. So after the text and email sent, it's going to wait another 22 hours and then another email is sent. So here it is just another follow-up email, but that once again tells them that they can book a call. So on this call, you're just basically going to answer any questions that they have. Now, you can also have an action, this right here, where if they've clicked on the email, okay, it really does show that they have interest. So you're going to add 15 to their email score. And if you don't know what an email score is just yet, it's this scoring system that Course Creator 360 has built into its software where leads, prospects, and contacts, they start to build points based on how much they've engaged with your emails. So if they open up an email from you, they get 1 point. If they open up another email from you, they get another point. So this is a good way to segregate people who are really interested in your products and services versus people who are really not interested in your products and services. So if you send them an email, a 24-hour reminder, and they click on the email, they're going to get 15 added to their email score, okay? So by you knowing that they've actually clicked on your email, it really does show that they have interest, but there's still something that's stopping them from actually purchasing the product. So here you can see the if-then sequence that includes yes or no, and then you can just add on if you want to send them another email perhaps. Maybe you want to send them another text. But this is a really good framework as far as how to set up an abandoned cart email sequence. My recommendation is that it's really good that Course Creator 360 offers this to you, because all you have to do is click on these three dots and then clone this workflow. So you could actually duplicate this workflow. And that's exactly what I did on this demo course. So here we have an abandoned cart for a demo product, and you can see it's the same exact sequence. And I have landed sales with this workflow, okay? It starts with the checkout initiated tag. It checks it to see if they've purchased using a tag. If none, it adds an abandoned cart tag, and then it sends them a text, it sends them an email, it waits again, it sends a 24-hour reminder, and then it gives them an email score, or adds on to their email score if they've actually clicked on your email. So Course Creator 360 offers a lot of automations and templates that help you nurture leads and prospects so that you can make more sales or land more deals. So with that being said, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below. And if you are interested in signing up for Course Creator 360, I'd really appreciate if you use my link down below. It would just help support the channel. And when you do sign up, you'll get a free 30-day trial to try this out. And you'll also get this 90-minute bootcamp, which really guides you step by step on how to get started with this software. It really is an all-in-one software for course creators, online coaches, and digital product sellers. But I'll see you guys all in the next video.